Deep in the Pacific Ocean, something massive is breathing. In 1997, hydrophones picked up a sound unlike anything scientists had heard before. A deep, rhythmic pulse, rising and falling like lungs filling with air. They called it the sleeper. For 27 years, research teams have recorded this haunting pattern from the deepest ocean trenches. The sound signature suggests something enormous, something alive. Marine biologist Dr. Sarah Chen analyzed the recordings in 2019. Her hands trembled as she played back the audio. "Whatever's making this sound would have to be larger than a blue whale," she whispered to her team. But here's what terrifies researchers most. The breathing is getting louder. Each year, the signal grows stronger, more pronounced, as if something ancient is slowly waking up. The last recording from March 2024 showed the sound had increased by 15 decibels. Scientists estimate at this rate, whatever's down there will surface by 2031. And when it does, the breathing will finally stop, because it won't need to hide anymore.